Really?
Get him, helmet! Watch your 1 o'clock. Lay him down, lay him down. Right stick running, lay him down on the concrete. Yep.
Keep them down, you guys move up, because I only have one more life.
Which one are you going to?
I only got one more life too. He's right there. He's right. Go to this pinwheel on the left.
This one right here?
To us, yeah.
And
Not
I'll
that one
light
right
them
there,
up.
because there's a guy behind
Go wide through the bushes and come up straight.
No.
Dominic, let's go. Dominic, help. We're going to put suppressing fire when this guy runs.
All right. Let me know when you're ready. Look, you guys need to. You guys need to shoot that direction.
Yeah. All right.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
Yeah, well, I mean to get through you. So.
Watch out.
All right. As soon as I cross, you start shooting at him.
All right. Go.
Hit! Traded! Got two! That music was very inspirational. You should do that more often. The music's very inspirational.
I know, right?
I'm like, fuck it, I'm rolling with him. I'm like, get over there. I'm like, oh, there's a lot of guys. I got like 3 guys though.
Yeah.
Because there was like the 3 guys that were on our left, and they're just like not even paying attention to you and me out there.
Yep.
You're shooting the guys that are that direction. It's full auto. 3 guys are like, I'm like, yeah, highway to the danger zone. It's my game song.
All you gotta do. Come on. You just have to have one jackass. Me.
That's called leadership ability right there. That's what that is.
CEO even.
Yep.
That is CEO mentality.